If you need to tow or haul, nothing does it better than a heavy-duty diesel truck. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff Ford, and today we're talking about this 2022 Ram 2500 equipped with a 6.7-liter Cummins diesel engine. One amazing engine. In the 2500, it makes 370 horsepower and 850 pound-feet of torque. If you move up to the 3500, you can get a higher output version that makes even more power. But for a lot of people, this 2500 is very capable. You can haul up to, I think, 2,800 pounds payload and tow up to a 17,000 pound trailer when properly equipped. This thing is an absolute beast. And this one has a nice leveling kit and a wheel and tire package. These nice side steps. There are many flavors of diesel engines available in the HT truck segment. Of course, our own product line, we have the F-Series with that awesome Power Stroke diesel engine. Chevy has a fantastic Duramax, all great engines. But what's unique about the Cummins, instead of being a V8, it's a big inline 6-cylinder diesel. It has that commercial, almost like semi-truck feel of the way it sounds and it feels. It's a very unique diesel engine versus some of the other selections. I think you can't go wrong with any of them. But a lot of people, this Cummins tends to pull at their heartstrings, and they're very reliable. There are variations of the Cummins with 600, 700,000 miles on them, still going strong. Nice clean engine compartment. This is the Bighorn model, or if you're buying it in Texas they don't call it the Bighorn, they call it the Lone Star, which is appropriate. For 2022, the Bighorn got some additional chrome accents. Lots of bling bling on the front end for sure. Looking good. With a quad cab, it doubles as an excellent family vehicle. Nice functional 6.5-foot bed. Spray and bed liner. This thing is looking great with its wheel and tire package and its leveling kit. Nice spacious rear seat accommodations. You can fold up the seats for additional storage underneath, or keep them flipped up just to store stuff back here versus putting it exposed to elements or theft in the bed. This one features a nice all-season mats. These side steps are nice with that leveling kit. It's pretty high up. I'm 6'2", and I'd have a hard time getting in this thing without those side steps. We have an integrated brake controller. We have an exhaust brake, which makes some cool semi-truck sounds. If you're a little kid that dreamed of being a trucker when you were little, and you couldn't make that dream fully come true of a big semi-truck, well, this is like your little version of a semi-truck with that Inline-Six Cummins, the exhaust brake. It'll bring out the little kid in you. For 2022, we saw some upgrades on the Uconnect infotainment system across the board. Better functionality, crisper display. Of course, we have a rear parking camera. We have an integrated trailer brake controller as well. Four-wheel drive system is very easy to use. You have four-wheel drive high, two-wheel drive, and then four-wheel drive low range. And then lots of connectivity here. We have auxiliary input, USB and USB-C connectivity. Nice gauge cluster. We have those traditional analog gauges left and right with a nice digital display in the middle, which is configurable. You can pick and choose what information you want showing up. And this one only has 39,337 miles, a drop in the bucket for a diesel truck. Well, thanks so much for watching. I'm Joe. We are Scarff Ford. We've been in business for over 100 years, proudly serving the greater Seattle-Tacoma area, located in Auburn, Washington. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this content. We have it coming out all the time. We sell new Fords, so if you don't want a Ram, we got plenty of new and used Fords too as well. We sell new Isuzus and a very wide variety of premium vehicles, as you can see. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you soon.